on the world. We'll take on the world. We'll take on the world. We'll take on the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna be unboxing the Senda SDMM1 compact on-camera video microphone that I got from Shopee. So let's get to it. Let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. Okay, let me go ahead and take my handy dandy knife. I also got this from Shopee para lang sa mga unboxing na videos ko. So let's open it up. Okay, so the box and the packaging is secure. May bubble wrap siya all around. Okay, ayan, makikita natin yung box. So let's take out the bubble wrap first. And this is the box. So we have the minigun from Senda, directional video condenser microphone. The model is SDMM1. Okay, we have this and this. We have the specifications. Okay, I'm just gonna show that to you guys. And on the side, it's like that. Okay, so let's go and open it up. I think it slides or not. Put it on the side and let's open it up. Okay, so out of the box we have the pouch na may Senda na pangalan. I don't know if that's visible. Okay, we have that. We have also the fur para sa wind noise, wind protection ng mic para walang hiss or kasi we're gonna use this for motovlog and then it will protect the microphone or the sound from the wind. So yan siya. So lagyan natin dito. And then we have the manual. Okay. And then we have the bracket. Nilalagay siya on top of the camera if it's compatible. And then yung mic dito. So yung bracket. And then the mic itself. Okay naman yung wrapping. Naka-ano naman. Let's open this up. Okay, this is the mic. It's for the 3.5mm jack. Okay. Put it here. And also we have the cords that goes in. We have an L cord and we have actually two. So kapag mawala yung isa, mayroon tayong reserba. Okay, so let's move the box on the side and let's try to assemble everything. Okay, so ito yung mic. Nilalagay siya dito sa may fur. So ito yung mic, ito yung buntot. Papasok natin yan. Parang ayaw ito pumasok. Importante lang kasi yan. Okay na yan. Importante lang kasi ma-cover yung mic portion niya. So make sure na hanggang dyan pasok yung camera. Yung yung microphone. Yan. And then yung bracket. And then